Okay, so in this video we're going to look at using the sine rule or the sine law to work out the missing side of a triangle. We remember that the sine law can be expressed as A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. And we're going to choose that form of the equation, the formula, because we want to find a length. And if we want to find a length, we'll make sure that the little a and the little b and the little c is on the top on the numerator, because that's the side that's going to represent the lengths. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is look at our triangle. And this is a typical question here. And we notice that the triangle's already got angle A, angle B, angle C labelled. So we may as well use that lettering as it is, and we're looking for X, and X is opposite angle B. So it makes sense to make X the equivalent of B in our formula here. So we can write the B, which is X, divided by the sine of B, which is the sine of 48, is equal to. Now we need to look for the pair of values where we've got a length and we've got an angle. So that looks like that's angle C, and its opposite side is length 16. So we don't really need this part of our sine rule equation, but we do need C, which is 16, divided by the sine angle 70. So we've got an equation with X in it. That's our unknown, the length of the side that we want to calculate. We now need to do a bit of rearranging to change this equation here so that we've just got X on its own. So if we multiply both sides by the sine of 48, then we can cancel sine 48 from this side, so we'll get left with X is equal to this fraction here, 16 over sine 70, times the sine of 48 degrees. Okay, so to find X, we just need to evaluate this expression. So if we bring up our calculator, just clear that, and we can key in 16 divided by the sine of 70, and we'll evaluate that part first before we times by sine 48. So we should get 12.65. So X is equal to 12.65. But since it tells us here the units are centimetres, we need to write X equals 12.65 centimetres. Now the question may ask for a certain number of significant figures or a certain number of decimal places. So let's say the example in this question was to 3 significant figures. What would our answer be then? Well, we'd need to then adjust our answer and take the first 3 significant figures, the 1, the 2 and the 6. We'd round up our 6 to a 7 because of the following 5. So to 3 significant figures, our answer is X equals 12.7 centimetres. So that's how you use the sine formula, the sine rule, to calculate a missing side. Okay, if you understood that, have a go at these. Enjoy. I've just realised that at the start up here, I didn't really mean to about this part of the equation. It was actually A over sine A that we didn't need, although it makes no difference to the calculations that follow. So, all yours.